Well, hello everyone. It's Gianni Bracco, the Soul Pilot with you again. Thanks so much for joining me. And today we're going to have our last practice in staying in peace and quiet. So today we're going to focus and graduate staying in peace and quiet. So enjoy and master staying in peace and quiet. Here we go. You're all doing great, everyone. Keep it up and keep staying in peace and quiet. You're all doing an amazing job of staying present, staying in peace and quiet and gratitude. Congratulations, everyone, on staying present and in gratitude and in peace and quiet. Keep up the amazing work. Now that we've practiced doing this over and over again, and we mastered it today, rest assured you can take this gift you've been given, this wisdom you've gained, this tool you've mastered now, and bring it to every situation, every place you go. It is your gift. Enjoy this gift of peace and quiet and gratitude. Congratulations again, everyone. Bringing all of these tools and blessings back to this time, back to this place, back to your mental, emotional, physical body. Staying in gratitude and peace and quiet, knowing how truly blessed and gifted you are. What a master you've become.